war, it is not an option. So what is the other side? Peaceful talks. I cannot give you the wherewithals now. I have to consult many people, including President Ramos. He might want also to be one of the... But I would like to respectfully ask him to go to China and start the backbone. We gain nothing, but we do not also want to offend the United States. Why? Because we have identified ourselves allied with the Western powers. We do not go violent, we do not go to war. There is an existing remedy. Then we must seek that relief in that remedy. We will abide with the decision of the allied countries involved in the West Philippine Sea. But I said, if nothing moves and the arbitration judgment would favor us, and if we cannot enforce, we cannot get back even with the resolution by the arbitration court, then there has to be something that would, something has got to give.
Anong gagawin niyo po?
Sabihin ko sa China, then let us talk bilateral. Before we begin to talk, let me state the predicate of my position. The one point there, body of water, where you have constructed the garrison and the airport, is ours. Whether you believe it or not, that is ours.
EDCA, well, the Supreme Court has said it is. Now, whether they would be placed in what area for what, that is a decision of the military, the armed forces of the Philippines. Sila yung mas marunong sa atin. I may contribute something if I become the president. But since hindi naman ako, I must just say that we will follow the Supreme Court. In the matter now of location, where to what, that's something else. I have to hear the armed forces of the Philippines if I become president.
Sir, correct me if I'm wrong.
US and ally, we are allied with the Western powers. Let us be frank with each other. Talagang nasa side ng USA tayo. Now, yung basis were agreement were repealed or so long time ago. Now, just ignoring the treaty as a threat to the national security. Ako naman, sabihin ko sa China, just stop your construction. In the meantime, stop following, be cautious about this, and we will just stop. We cannot go to war. We cannot go to war. We cannot afford it. Because ang US kasi, pati maybe Australia and Japan would want a multilateral, but nothing is moving. So if it is to the best interest of the country, if the president says, well, I talk to you bilateral. Pero ang akin is, kung ako, I'll place a margin. I'll place a margin. The margin is, what you're occupying is ours. We will begin our talks on this predicate. You have to declare, you have to listen to my declaration. Whether you believe it or not, that's something else. But if we talk, I'd say that the predicate of these talks is that what you are occupying now belongs to the Republic of the Philippines.
Pero sir, ganun din ang predicate na sir, di ba? Ganun din ang predicate ng China, di ba sila for us?
Wala tayo. Kung ayaw nila ng ganon, if that is you claim mine and I claim yours, then let's talk. But I will not move an inch backwards. When I say, magmamargin ako eh. Kung papel pa, I'll fold something like, and this is the margin, and we begin our talks. And the talks should be that what you are, I said, building there, the structures there, maybe you just give it to us or remove it, and I'd be happy.
3 traditional fishing grounds in the South China Sea. We have Scarborough Shoal, Macclesfield Bank, and the Stratleys. And China have all taken over of that.
The Chinese regime's reported deployment of a high-tech marine patrol ship to a disputed area in the South China Sea may hamper ongoing talks for a diplomatic settlement.
One of the world's most ambitious construction projects is going on in secret. The Chinese are building islands on reefs in the South China Sea. They say the area is theirs, dismissing claims by Vietnam, Taiwan, and the Philippines.
Well, I mean, China has grown the islands to 2,000 acres in the last 18 months. That's a lot of space that they've grown. They're throwing sand up into these atolls and then building military airstrips on top of those. They claim that it's not military, but U.S. Satellite information has shown 2 artillery pieces. China's military is way too large for any of the other countries in the region. It has to be a U.S., Japan, Australian combination that would go up and stop China from doing this.
Halos lahat lang ng bahura dito sa Pilipinas, gusto na nila kunin. Ayun nga, kapitbahay mo, magagalit ka na. Kukunan ka ng isang bagay sa loob ng bakuran mo na hindi nagpapaalam.